Hi there everyone, I'm Sharon Sims from Podcasting Hub Australia and welcome back to another episode of On the Couch with Sharon. Today we're going to sit and have a little bit of a chat about understanding your environment. So if you're going to be a solo producer and creator of your podcast, there are a few things that you do need to be aware of within your environment. So, potentially you may be starting a podcast from home. Think about your location there. Think about how much soundproofing you are able to do logistically and financially. You may be sitting in your lounge room. So you need to be aware of the just the natural noises in the environment because they are going to be picked up on your recording. Now let's just pause a minute there. As we've spoken about, you can edit your podcasts. However, the less editing that you need to do, the better. So it's really important to think about your environment and what kind of noises may be around you. So getting back to that lounge room example, potentially you're sitting in your lounge room with your laptop and maybe a microphone and you're recording your podcast. Just sit for a minute and have a listen to the noises around you. So you may be on a busy street, there will be traffic sounds coming into the recording. If your living room is close to your kitchen, there may be somebody in the kitchen making a sandwich for their lunch. There may be the noises of the refrigerator, somebody using the microwave. So these are all things that you need to think about because, as I said, the less editing, the less cleaning you have to do of your recording, the better. You're going to produce a better sound quality. Now, the other thing to think about is you may have a table that you're recording from. So your laptop may be sitting on the table. Just be aware that your laptop fan is going to kick in at some point. So that noise, even though it's very low, that noise and the vibration are going to be picked up by the microphone and they are going to be apparent on your recording. So if you're using a microphone with a stand, maybe be aware that you will probably need to have some kind of rubber base on the stand so that again it's insulated from a lot of that vibration and sound coming from the laptop. These are all things, as I said, that you need to think about. Soundproofing is really important, so do as much of that as you possibly can. Also remember little noises like the way that you're breathing in between words, clapping your hands together if you talk with your hands, bumping the table, all of those things are going to be magnified on your recording. So it's important to think about these things and mitigate these as much as you possibly can. And if all of this seems just way too much for you to think about, then that's what we're here for. You can get in contact with us, maybe come in and use our studio for your recording. But that's enough for today. Thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for another episode of On the Couch with Sharon. Bye for now.